In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap faces in OpenArt. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a face from one photo and blend it into another using OpenArt's built-in tools. You'll need two images: a target image, which is the photo you want to modify, and a reference image, which is the face you want to transfer. Keep in mind that results are best when both photos are clear, well lit, and show the face at a similar angle. And as always, use images responsibly and make sure you have permission to use people's photos. Start on the OpenArt homepage. Look to the left side panel and open the image section. This brings you into the workspace where all the image tools live, so everything you need is in one place. Inside the image workspace, choose the swap option. This is the feature dedicated to face replacement, and it guides you through the process in a clean, straightforward flow. You'll see a choice between swapping the face or swapping the head. Face swap focuses on the facial area, eyes, nose, mouth, and overall facial structure, while keeping the original hair and head shape from the target photo. Head swap replaces the entire head, including hair and silhouette, which can be helpful if the hairstyle is important or the original hair is covering parts of the face. If you're not sure, start with face swap for the most natural look. Next, upload your target image. This is the photo you want to change. For best results, pick an image where the person's face is visible, not overly shadowed and not blocked by glasses, hands, or hats. A simple background helps, and a single person in the frame reduces confusion during detection. Now upload your reference image. This is the face you want to transfer onto the target. Try to match the angle and lighting to your target image. Front-facing pairs work great, and similar expressions can make the blend look more realistic. Avoid tiny or blurry photos. Higher resolution gives the AI more detail to work with. When both images are in place, click Create. The AI will process the swap, and it may take a moment depending on the image size and server load. Don't worry if it sits for a bit. Just let it finish. Once it's ready, review the results. Zoom in to check the edges around the face or hairline and see how well the skin tones and lighting match. If it's not quite there, try different photos with clearer angles or more even lighting, or switch between face and head swap to see which suits your scenario better. That's it. You've successfully swapped a face in OpenArt.